Hi guys, welcome to day 8. It's quite late in the day today because we've had a pool day today, so we've had a nice relaxing time by the pool. So that's why I haven't done any vlogging, because it wasn't very exciting really watching us sitting by the pool having a bit of a snooze. Anyway, tonight now we're going to go down to Disney Springs, so I'll show you some of the merchandise down there and we'll just generally have a look around. So why not join us? Come on, let's have some fun. So we have some zebra domes. It's got to be done when you're staying in the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Do you want to try one, Kieran?
Okie dokie. Luckily they're not melted like last time.
You got to keep them refrigerated or eat them straight away. It is good, yeah?
Caramelly.
Zebra dome. That's the cross section. So there is, as you can see, there was 4 zebra domes and there's only 3 of us. So Matthew and Kieran are going to share the last one. So the zebra domes are another must-try snack. So if you're looking for something light and delicious, then make a trip to the Animal Kingdom Lodge and get some zebra domes. I think that they serve them for breakfast in the Tusker House as well in the Animal Kingdom, but I'm not 100% sure on that because it's been a long time since I've had the breakfast at Tusker House. They serve them in the all-you-can-eat buffet at Boma in the evening. I know not for breakfast there, but in the evening they do. So yes, I would rate zebra domes 9.5 out of 10. They are one of my favourite snacks to get in the whole of Walt Disney World. I just did my research for you whilst we were waiting for the bus, and no, you can't get zebra domes from Tusker House in the Animal Kingdom. You can only get them from the Animal Kingdom Lodge. So they're available with the Boma buffet for dinner, and you can get them from the Mara, which is the quick service in Jumper House, and you can get them from both shops, one in Jumper House and one in Kidani Village. So the Animal Kingdom Lodge is the only place you can get zebra domes. So if you want to get zebra domes, just hop on the free transportation from any of the any of the parks, and head over to the Animal Kingdom Lodge and get yourself some zebra domes. So we've finally got to Disney Springs, and that was a pretty horrendous experience. We waited about 40 minutes for the bus to arrive to the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and the bus was absolutely rammed. And they were like, go back, there's more space on the bus, go back. So that was not much fun. So just bear that in mind if you have any dinner reservations, anything like that. You need to allow at least a good hour, I reckon, to make sure you get there on time. We're in World of Disney. I'll just show you some of the stuff. Little Mickeys. Happily Ever After Mickey for $30. I collect little Mickeys. And my first Disney visit. I don't think I can get that one, I don't qualify for that one. So there's lots of ears. More ears. I love some of these tops. Look at that one. That's the front of it. And that's the back of it. Most magical place on earth. Oh, I want it. And this is another Spirit jersey that I absolutely adore. And that's the back of it. Oh, that's so cute. I'm surprised Kira hasn't tried to get that loungewear bag. Matthew's found a Coco t-shirt.
Heavy that is.
You are?
Heavy.
Heavy, is it? And that shirt, I like that shirt.
Oh, that's a show nice, look at that.
Oh, look at that then.
Cross one.
Crossbody bag. Where's Kieran gone?
$34. 64.99.
How much is that t-shirt?
$34.99. Did you get a discount on that?
I did, yeah. I was looking for you, but you did it anyway. Where's Kieran gone?
What's that?
Matthew's found a Pizza Planet sewing bag to go with his shirt and t-shirt.
It's quite funky, that. It's quite
Yeah.
nice. It's $25.
25. So we've each got a poutine from Disney Springs. Mine is a Korean barbecue, Asian barbecue pulled pork, French fries, kimchi, and sriracha aioli. And then this one is the butter chicken with a tomato curry sauce and cheese. And then Kieran has got the Canadian poutine, which is the beef gravy, cheese curds.
Yum.
That's the one I want.
The chicken's quite spicy.
Is it? Glad I didn't get that then. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are we trying a bit of each?
Yeah.
Can I have that one?
Yeah, go on. Oh, it's freezing.
That's quite nice.
It is nice. Can I try one of yours?
Oh, that's lovely.
Which one?
Yours.
Yeah, I know. This is the nicest.
Look.
Yeah.
Can I try one?
So we found somewhere where it's not so cold. We were sitting by the water and it was
Freezing.
The wind was coming straight through. So you got the gravy one, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I probably prefer yours.
Prefer mine, didn't it?
What about mine?
I prefer mine, probably.
And I do like this, but I think I prefer Kieran's.
Yeah.
But I do like it.
I'm glad I got mine, to be fair. It's nice. It's like Korean sauce back at home.
Would you rate them on a scale of 1 to 10?
7 maybe?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yours, 7.
This one, 7.
Okay, what about yours?
About the same.
Yeah? I give mine like an 8. I like mine. But I don't know about yours because I can't remember, to be fair.
Do you want to try a bit more?
Can I try a bit more?
Yeah. And then if you want to swap, I'm
Just
happy
with
to
a
swap.
chip, it's fine.
It's got a bit of a kick to it, hasn't it?
It's okay, it's nothing special, but...
Don't know.
Do you want to swap?
If you want it.
So it's actually gone past 7 o'clock in the evening now.
Oh,
So it's past midnight in the UK. And it's Kieran's birthday, isn't it, Kieran?
Yeah, but not yet for us.
Not yet. Well,
Yeah.
not here.
No.
And you were born at like 8:30 in the morning. So you've still got about 8 hours. But yeah, it's his birthday today. So
Happy
wish him a
birthday.
happy birthday.
so Kieran and I have finished our poutine. Matthew's still finishing off his last bit. We actually swapped. I don't know if you can see that on camera.
They did, yeah.
And I would rate the Canadian one 8 out of 10. What did you think of it? Of yours? Of the pulled pork one?
Both 7, that 8.5.
How much?
Huh?
How much?
Yours 8.5 out of 10.
Oh, really?
I preferred the poutine in the Canada Pavilion in Epcot. You wouldn't think it would be much different, but it was, and I think the gravy made the difference. The one in Epcot is absolutely delicious, and this one was nice, but I much prefer the one in
How much is
Epcot.
the one in Epcot?
Not that expensive. I think it's
No.
more expensive here.
But there was more here.
Yeah.
The portion size was bigger here, if you ask.
Oh, okay. It was $10.49 here, and that was the same price across the board for all of them. And if my memory serves me right, I can change it on the. I could put the price on the bottom if I'm wrong, but I think in Epcot, the Canadian one was $7.49, and then the margarita one that you guys had, the little cherry tomatoes, that was $8.49 if I remember rightly. So I think that was the price difference. So $10.49 here, versus $7.49 in Epcot, and the one in Epcot was much nicer.
It's nicer, and I do totally agree. But the portion sizes are bigger.
Yeah, I would agree with that as well. So how much would you rate yours out of 10?
I say about 8 out of 10. It was nice.
Okay.
And yeah, I had the butter chicken, which is quite a mild chicken curry, but it's got a tiny bit of a kick to it.
Okay.
It's a bit spicy. It's not hot, but I can still taste the spices. So yeah, it was really nice.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So today is Sunday night, and the time is now 7:30, and this is how busy Disney Springs is, just to give you some idea. We're in a prime spot to just watch the world go by.
We're outside Flight Pig.
Yeah, we nicked a couple of chairs.
There's people everywhere.
Yeah, it is very busy.
Like ants.
Yeah.
I remember this place when it was
Downtown Disney.
downtown Disney, and it was so relaxing.
We even came when there was Pleasure Island in the middle of it. And I think you had to be a certain age to even go through Pleasure Island.
21, you have to show my ID to actually go into it.
Yeah. So it shows we're old school. I got asked if I do.
Were you allowed in?
Yeah, because it was the year before we got married.
Yeah, but
So I was
right,
25.
Yeah, but I can remember
Yeah.
there was one place that you were refused.
Yeah, that might have been it. I was old enough to go into it, but I don't think they would even let me walk through it because I didn't have ID on me and I was 25 at the time.
And you was like, oh, because I like young. They ask ID now. I'm in 50. So yeah, don't, looking back, don't take it as a compliment.
Little purchase from Sephora, complete. Daisy bag.
Have you even got fit?
I don't know about the quality on that bag. The stitch is coming loose. So we're just walking through Disney Springs. I'll show you a bit of it.
Maybe not.
Still quite busy.
Yeah, I know. This is the side where it's got all like restaurants.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, there's not many shops this side, is there? There seems a lot of bars and places to eat.
So, am I right in thinking Gideon's isn't open all day?
No, it is, I think. So there's the Ganachery, which is right opposite Paradiso 37. It's Gideon's Bakehouse as well. We're getting on the Moana bus. And we're back in the room. So we've been to Disney Springs tonight. I didn't show you much down there, to be honest, because it was very busy. Lots of people around. So tonight now Kieran's gonna get on and do some college work, aren't you, boy?
Yeah.
And me and Matthew are gonna go and do some laundry. So we're doing the laundry in the Animal Kingdom Lodge, and it's free. We like free, don't we?
We love free.
So I'll show you what they have here. So 3 washing machines, and you can purchase washing powder. Yeah, we've already done the washing. We've done 2 colours and 1 whites. Press that and then what?
It just starts automatically.
Okay. And it went on for 35 minutes. And then we have 6 dryers over here. And a TV to keep you entertained while you're doing it, but we just went back to our room. And we have a very handy little trolley to put all our washing in. So I've got 1 washing tablet left, which we're only here now for a couple more days. So if we've got any more dirty washing, then I'll just wash those few things before we go. But this is the majority of our clothes we brought all done now, so we'll have nice clean clothes for the rest of the holiday. And I'll pack up some of them, I'll start packing up some of them so we don't have to do it all in one go.
It's got like a filter thing that you put down. There's one upper, lower. 60 minutes.
I didn't see that. So that is for the top one, that's for the bottom one. This is one bottom one. one, top one. So this is very handy, being able to do all our laundry. So there's nothing worse than when you get home and you got to start unpacking and then you got to wash everything. I just can't be doing with all that. So it's nice to have everything all washed and ready that you can just fold it up and put it away in your...
Pretty much do this every holiday now.
Yeah, if we're able to, we do it all the time. So when we came for a week, we didn't, because we didn't have the facility to do it very easily. And you're trying to cram so much into a short holiday. But this time we've come longer, and yeah, if we can do it, we do it every time because it's so much easier. And it's not interfered with our holiday either, is it?
No,
so it's
well,
like we.
Late at night.
Yeah, the time is now 11:10. So we stayed down Disney Springs, did everything that we wanted to down Disney Springs, came back, and now we're doing this and just chilling in our room while we're waiting for it. So it's not like...
We're at the top. There you go. There they are. We'll come back later on.
Yeah. So we're gonna go and watch TV for an hour, come back and it'll all be done. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So we've just finished doing the laundry now, and I've had a nice shower, freshened up. So I'm going to end the vlog here now. So I know it's a short one today, but we didn't do very much. But tomorrow is a very important day. It's Kieran's birthday tomorrow. So we're going to go to Hollywood Studios and then we're going to go out for dinner. We've got a reservation at a cafe, and then we're going to Epcot in the evening because we've got extra magic hours as well till 11 p.m. So busy day tomorrow. So if you've enjoyed this video today, please give it a thumbs up and like and subscribe. Good night, North Star.
You know, to me, that's all.